So here we go again with our Temu washing machine, portable and foldable one. Foldable one because you can fold it like this. Anyways, so today's video, I'm going to show you how to take this off because many of you are asking how we're gonna take this off. You're going to put it on like so. There you go. So now it's there, right? And then of course you're gonna pull this up because it's going to be a foldable one. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to pull this up because I'm going to show you how to pull this. When you pull this, there's gonna be a little force that you need to do and then do it sideways. See? There you go. So that's how you pull the dryer bin into the washing machine. One more time, you put it on and then you pull it sideways. See, it's latching up and being unlatched on the side, and then hold on, and then you're just going to pull it. So forcefully a little bit so that it will unlatch from this one. So hopefully this video helps you a lot. We'll see how it is gonna be. Comment below if that works. If it is not, let me know. So we'll have a follow-up video on this one. Thank you very much for watching. And I hope you're enjoying this one. The portable and foldable washing machine from Temu. Have a great one. Do not forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to help your guys out in here. Thank you very much. We'll see you again. We love you all. Until next time, bye.